comes in dowels or squares. And every once in a while we'll get board feet. That's if we're in like a pinch or we really need the wood. But usually now we'll get dowels or we always get squares. That's not a problem.
Where do you get the wood from?
That depends. Our maple comes in from Canada, and we get our hickory from the United States.
Okay, cool.
There's hickory that grows here in Canada, but it grows like a snake.
Okay, it's not straight.
Yeah,
okay.
Not good for drumsticks. While hickory in America grows
perfectly straight. Okay.
So
cool, man.
There, it depends. If we get the squares gotta come here. This is our triple cut saw. So we put them in there. It'll just chop off the ends to make them of the proper length for our machines.
Yeah.
So we need a big machine to cut off little tiny chunks like that.
Right, I know.
Oh yeah, on both sides it cuts off the tiny chunks, and they'll get stacked over here.
Okay, those are the cut blocks.
That's a square. Put it through that machine, get turned into a dowel.
Okay.
So yeah, first, second.
Cool.
So, of course, different colors.
Yeah.
I don't have any red dowels around here somewhere.
Cool.
These are our lathes. We have 8 lathes. So we have ones that are dedicated strictly to 5A and 5B, 7A. The knives never come off those machines at all. The other machines, they'll have the knives swap periodically for 1B. Like this machine earlier was cutting 55 AD.
Okay.
Another one.
Wicked. I'm a 7A user myself. That's what I use.
This is the thing that cuts all the 7As.
No way.
This is where my drumsticks come from.
Wow, man. Very cool.
So it goes in and the dowel comes out looking like this.
Wow.
What we call a crown, or I call it a crown, and it's just a little butt. So it comes out with a crown and a butt.
Wicked.
So they'll be gathered up and we put in our nice filing system over there. This is unsanded. This is sanded.
Wicked. What kind of numbers do you do?
Man, like on a low day, it all depends on the bottleneck.
Okay.
These guys can do thousands and thousands a day. What happens is that where the bottleneck happens. Okay. Because we gotta cut the crown off, form the head, put the butt end off, and not form the butt, but just cut the butt end off.
Okay.
And then it's gotta go to our tumbler for the lacquer. So we'll got the crown.
You got to cut them all off. Okay.
And then I gotta put in this nice box right here. And then from here, it'll go over that guy right there. So like an industrial pencil shop.
Okay. That's the tip cleaner there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's it.
Boom. There. Okay, cool.
Wicked.
And then, once it's enough, they'll be gathered up, and we'll cross them off.
Okay, cool. Beautiful.
Like that little, this guy. That's the most that we should be doing to get in the guys will load it up, they'll load up the tumbler, just put all the sticks in here, and then have a cup of our lacquer, throw that in there, they'll put this lid on, spin this for about 10 minutes, then they'll go ahead, take that lid off, we'll put this lid on, still packing it on the side of it,
We're going to dry it. Wicked, man.
so that's that. That's from a naked, like from a square to a drumstick.
That's amazing.
A lot of stuff.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wicked, man. Well, here's all your knives.
So our nylon tips get made here.
Ah.
You put the egg, I call it an egg in the nest.
Oh, yeah.
You put it
Jammer
in
in,
there,
and
you
then
hit this button and this little hammer will
Cool.
There's glue. You put some glue in there. That's why
Okay.
we got this thing.
Oh, wow.
Someone dipped earlier.
Wicked.
So we have like fans. Pretty much
almost self-explanatory. You stick the sticks on this holder.
Yeah.
You put it on here. So, yeah, there's enough coverage in there. And of course, this would be open. There'd be paint here.
Yeah.
And you turn this thing on. You push it down and bring it all the way down.
No,
One time I
so
filled
cool,
the
brother.
black bucket up too much, and we also assemble some of our brushes here.
Okay.
Bits
Yeah.
and pieces. And roll them. Anyone that's banana or looks really ugly goes here. Then the rest get put on a cart, wheeled over here. These to the machine.
Oh,
that are
wow.
NBCC built for us. So this first part is the weighing and the printing machine.
Oh, okay, yeah. Wicked, there's the stamper, yeah. That is so cool.
Okay, so
Look at it.
disable the walking arm will pick it up. This thing here will test also for straightness. We can set this with a laser and all that stuff. So
Wow.
usually they don't.
Yeah, it's spinning it. It's spinning it, yeah. Checking it.
So, and then this guy is the printer.
That's the printer, yeah.
The pad will come down on the plate when we have one on there. The plate will then go back, and the pad will then push down, printing on the stick.
Wow, man.
Then we'll move on to the scale. It gets weighed.
Okay.
All the weights, of course, are in real time right there.
Okay.
So that one is 56, so it'll get shot into 56.
The machine even shoots it. No way.
Oh yeah, the machine has got one of those
Wow.
pneumatic hammers. That little air pressure will
Yeah, no
sometimes,
way.
yeah.
Watch, this one's gonna go over here probably. Yeah. Dude, that is sick. That is neat, man. Wow.
So it just knows which one goes where. That's so
Yeah.
cool.
So that's how you get your pairs. That's how you get your match.
That's how they're weighing that. And then they'll go to the other side. You can just
Wow. So you got the pitch fader too.
That is cool, man. That is really, really cool.
Sticks going here.
Yep.
Give them down, the walking arm will pick them up. This little guy right here is the microphone and the hammer. The hammer will come down, strike the sticks 3 times. As it's spinning on these wheels, the microphone will pick up the pitch of the stick and then spit it out in its appropriate bend.
Amazing.
So,
Wow.
all these sticks will have the.
Our pitch paired.
So
Wow.
they're all.
Oh,
And that's our hand printer.
Okay.
That's my sister Stephanie.
cool. Nice to
These
meet
are
you.
Ryan's.
Nice to meet you, darling.
So she's just doing some custom printing for.
Okay, you guys do. You do custom sticks, custom.
We
you
do
get-
some custom printing for our artists.
Cool.
and all that stuff.
Okay.
I did that to get brought over here in the cart, get here, like you put the 4 here, you turn this machine on, and you just turn on this pain in the ass.
Yeah. Your shrink
Putting
wrapper.
this stuff, white hickory,
Yeah. 5B intense, rock hickory,
whites.
shotguns.
Fun fact, we're like one of the only companies that still make those.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Cool.
The other ones stopped. I know ProMark, they stopped making their ones. From what I was told and what I've seen online anyway. So. Los Cabos.
Beautiful, brother.
Thank you. Yeah, you'll find it here in Los Cabos.
Oh my God! There we go.
All our red hickory
Right
there,
here.
all our maple on the
So
side.
you see this?
Drummers over the years too.
This is it here.
Like, little fin at the bottom. long
Wow.
on the top. Wow. Have you been reading my emails?
This is a drummer that's been my best friend for 30-something years. I know what they're like, okay?
Wow! Look at them all.
These are the-
Oh, there's your red. I got a few of them.
Oh, nice.
I use the really only use the red hickories for shows. Like when I'm practicing stuff, I got bags of the seconds.
Okay.
So I buy a lot of seconds from McQuaig's just for
Nice.
like practice and stuff. And when I'm doing shows, I'll use the 7A maples, or a lot of times I'll use the red hickory.
Oh,
When
nice.
especially if we're doing a metal show,
Yeah.
definitely the red hickory,
Oh, nice.
right? So, yeah. Cool, man.
These
All
are
the
all
mallets.
our accessories.
Wicked.
Multi-sticks, slab sticks, bamboo slab sticks.
Wicked.
Brushings, kids sticks.
Beautiful, bro. Yeah, I got a couple pairs of these.